Welcome everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Clarity for Sure. Today's session is about a recent update that is coming out from PFRDA, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. So PFRDA has recently released a notification regarding the recruitment of Grade A officer, that is Assistant Manager 2025. So this is a very good news for the candidates who are preparing or are willing to prepare for this particular examination. So here you can see the examination, online application and payment of fee of this particular examination is going to be started from 23/6/2025, that means 23rd of June 2025 till 6th of August 2025, and this particular examination is going to be conducted in three phases, that is phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Phase 1 and phase 2 is your online examination and phase 3 is your interview. Fine. So phase 1, the date of phase 1 online examination is September 6, 2025, that is on Saturday. Phase 2 online examination, it is October 6, 2025, that is on Monday. And finally there is phase 3, that is for interview. It will be intimated to candidates successful in phase 2 by email or SMS. Fine. So here you can see the total number of seats are 20. Fine, including all the streams. And for the general streams, it is total 8 number of seats, and the eligibility is here master degree in any discipline or bachelor degree in law or bachelor degree in engineering from a recognized university. Fine. And finance and accounts is there, IT is also there. You can go through this notification. Fine. Here you can see all the number of seats from each stream and the eligibility as well. But I am here to show you one thing, the important update. Fine, that is candidates are permitted to apply for maximum of 2 streams only. So the candidates, a single candidate is only permitted to apply for maximum 2 streams only, for which she is eligible to apply as per their educational qualification. Fine. So this was an important thing. The second thing which is there is the age limit. Fine. So the age limit should not exceed 30 years. A candidate must not have exceeded the age of 30 years as on July 31, 2025. That is, candidates must have born on or after August 1, 1995. This was the age eligibility. And finally, here you can see the examination. As I said, examination will be going to conducted in 2 phases, phase 1, phase 2 and finally phase 3, which is your interview. Fine. So here you can see phase 1 examination consists 2 papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 all stream multiple choice question on the subject. This will be your MCQs. So here are total 4 sections. You can see 4 sections for paper 1. First one is English language, quant aptitude, test of reasoning, general awareness including some question related to financial sector. Fine. So the total number of marks for this particular examination is 100 marks, 25 from each section, and number of question will be total 80 number of question, 20, that is 20 question from each section. And the time limit we will be getting for solving paper 1, phase 1 phase 1 examination of paper 1 is 60 minutes only, that is 1 hour. Fine. And then there is paper 2, general stream multiple choice question on subjects commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing and Companies Act, economics and pension sector. This is for general stream. Fine. You will be getting again 50 questions for 100 marks. Fine. And the time limit you will be getting for paper 2 of phase 1 examination is 40 minutes only. Fine. 40 minutes only. Then there is finally phase 2 examination. Phase 2 examination knowledge stream, English descriptive test to test the drafting skill. Fine. So descriptive paper will be there for English. Maximum marks will be 100 marks. Number of question 3 question. Duration you will be getting again 1 hour. Paper 2 general stream, again multiple choice question on subject of commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, economics and pension sector. Fine. So the total maximum number of marks for this paper 2 phase 2 examination is 100. Number of question you will be getting 50 question, that means 2 marks for each question, and the time limit you will be getting is again 40 minutes only. Fine. And finally phase 3 interview is there, but let me show you one important thing. The marks obtained in phase 2 online written examination will be allotted a weightage of 85%, while the marks obtained in phase 3 interview will allotted a weightage of 15% only, which means phase 2, your phase 2 online examination will be going to play a very important role in your selection process. Fine, because it holds a weightage of 85 marks, and for phase 3, that is for interview, it is only 15 marks. Fine. So that's it for this session. Thank you so much.